The Intense 5 generated quite a lot of buzz last week. Wonder if it will do the same this week. The COVID spike is real. On Tuesday, there were 120 new cases. That is crazy. Guys, come on. Wear the mask and sanitize.
Please.
Can't stress that enough.
Please. How could anyone mistake Kevin Hart for Usain Bolt? Well, NBC did. They posted a story and used Kevin Hart's pic instead of Bolt's. Then they posted an excuse, basically blaming the computer. Kevin Hart saw it and boy, he poked a bit of fun on his IG page. He's like, maybe like a grew taller,
He true Kevin Hart fashion, he definitely would. Marcus Garvey Drive should be renamed the Marcus Garvey River. Heavy rains on Sunday wreaked havoc across most of Jamaica. Surprisingly, the water level in the dams didn't move much. But they must say water lock off because I bear dirt going in the dam then. It never ends. It never ends.
So the legend has a surprise birthday party and it's star-studded, as expected. A few days later, it's announced that he's COVID positive. Really hope that he and everyone who are around him are okay.
And finally holding the...
So me a number 2. A lie! Oh my God!
How could we not make her number 1? After all the excitement she put down on IG last week, Amari and the Nico song have got to be number 1. Believe me, everywhere we go, people are singing it. Just go with the flow, man.
Nico!
That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. I'm sure next week will be just as exciting. If anything intense happens in your area, hit us up on IG at TVJ Intense.